Hi, today for the XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. First, let's open the settings, then tap to always on display and lock screen, click to always on display, and just here we can change the display items from always to set the shadow, start and time for 10 seconds after tapping, to use it to turn it off in battery saver, and in one line in the dark. If you want to use your custom image or download it from the internet, you could use it here. Just click select image. You can change the text color, click position, we can change the clock position to activate it, turn off the battery notifications, and the stops. So let's go back. If you wanna, you can use the signature, the analog clocks, kaleidoscope, digital, and select the background. For example, let's use one from this one. Just let's change the text color to I just want to turn on the battery notifications. You could also use the steps, but you should just activate the XIAOMI health also to do that. So just click to apply. It's applied successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.